Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to Sileo in another episode. I woke up this morning watching a bunch of commercials regarding a Thai chicken franchise named 5 Star, open 24/7 in Pattaya. So by lunchtime, I decided to go check them out. As y'all can see, the city is currently undergoing improvements. So we arrived right next to Terminal 21. Let's go. I've seen this brand before, but only at food stall like Lotus. This is my first time trying them and in a place with seats. I'll let y'all see their menu and offers. I just got my order, so I'm gonna try chicken rice, wrap, chicken burger, crispy chicken, and french fries. So that was it. I hope that you'll appreciate discovering this Thai chicken fast food chain, just like I did. And like I said before, I cannot be next to Terminal 21 without taking advantage of it, mostly for dessert. And I'll let y'all see today's footage. Watch this. For those who haven't started watching my YouTube shorts, just know that I make one every 12 hours, which means 2 every day. And to all of those that still watch my every 48 hours long form content, thank you. Shout out to all of my subscribers for your likes, your comments, and your shares. Have a good one. Peace. I'm out.